Hello, friends. Welcome back for story time. So, the book that we're going to be reading today is called ABC Train, and it is written by Thomas Burns. So, we're going to travel through the train alphabet. Okay, are you ready? Let's see what we will find. A is for automobile, zooming through the town. B is for backup, a big slow down. C is for cow kids, riding ahead. D is for desert, yellow, orange, and red. E is for elation, candy galore. F is for factory, making more, more, more. So the words more and galore rhyme, right? They have the same ending sound. Galore, more. G is for gigantic hardosaur. H is for the plant eating herbivore. So a herbivore is an animal that only eats plants. Herbivore. I is for ice cream in a land far away. J is for jubilation. I think we should stay. Miss Ketley would stay too for some ice cream. K is for kite, as high as the sun. L is for laughing. This is too much fun. M is for monkey, hitching a ride. N is for nutty. Should we let them inside? O is for okapi, ostrich, and octopus. P is for pachyderm, potbelly pig, and platypus. Wow, those are all a bunch of animals that start with the letter O and P. Q is for quadrillion times on the ride. R is for roller coaster, keeping your hands by your side. S is for spaceship, flying to the stars. T is for telescope, examining Mars. Telescope. Uh-oh, this one's upside down. U is for upside down, bats in a cave. V is for vegetarian. They won't bite, so wave. W is for whales, going to school. X is for xenophobe, afraid of strangers? No, they're cool. Y is for yeti, yogurt, and yam. Z is for zither. Play along if you can. The end, friends. I hope you enjoyed this story time of all the different words that start with the alphabet letters. I will see you all very soon. Goodbye, friends.